and you'll see it is just a single letter A. Okay, so the single letter A, the name is A, and it can also make the sound A. Okay, as we know, this letter makes the A sound. Okay, but it can also make the A sound as well. So A, A, A. More commonly makes the A sound, but sometimes makes the A sound. Okay, so let's put this single letter A sound into some words, alternative sound for this letter. Okay, baby is the first one. B-A-B-E. Baby. B-A-B-E. Baby. B-A-B-E. Baby. 4 letters making 4 sounds, and we have the Y sound making the E sound. Sometimes the Y letter makes the E sound at the end of words and not the Y sound, just so you know. Okay, baby. B-A-B-E. Baby. The baby is asleep. Well, if you have one, hopefully they are. Okay, so next one. Let's go on to our next word, which is paper. Paper. Okay, P-A-P-E. Paper. P-A-P-E. Paper. I am writing on paper. P-A-P-E. Paper. Okay, how many letters? 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sounds? P-A-P-E. 4 sounds, and we've got the long A vowel sound here, shown by 1 singular A letter. Okay, and the last one we have is crazy. Crazy. K-R-A-Z-E. Again, the Y letter making the E sound here at the end of words. Crazy. 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 We got 2 adjacent consonants here, K and R, and we want to blend them quickly to make the cr sound. Crazy. Crazy. They are being crazy could be a word or sentence there with that word. Okay, crazy. 5 letters, 5 sounds. Okay, so let's say them all again together. Make sure you're practicing at home with me and you're saying it with me. Okay, A, baby, B-A-B-E, baby. Paper, P-A-P-E, paper. And crazy, crazy, crazy. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.